Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Added English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English Literature class for the students of class 2. Dear students, our today's topic is from your buzzword book. Today we will learn from Unit 3 its synonym, antonym and question answer. Okay, which is related to your topic. Okay, from Unit 3 we will learn today synonym, antonym and question answer. Dear students, your SW is synonym, antonym. Okay, this is your SW, synonym, antonym. Okay, and your SW number is 6 and lecture number 6. Okay, so dear students, please follow the board. Look, question answer. Number 1, who called out to the sun first? I am repeating, who called out to the sun first? Answer, the lion called out to the sun first. The lion called out to the sun first. The lion called out to the sun first. Then number 2, what happened when the elephant called? What happened when the elephant called? Answer, when the elephant called out, the sun did not listen to him. I am repeating, its answer is what? When the elephant called out, the sun did not listen to him. So the question is what? What happened when the elephant called? Answer, when the elephant called out, the sun did not listen to him. Number 3, whom did the sun listen to? Whom did the sun listen to? Answer, the sun listened to the colorful rooster. The sun listened to the colorful rooster. Okay, number 4, what made the animals happy in the end? What made the animals happy in the end? Answer, sunlight made the animals happy in the end. Sunlight made the animals happy in the end. So dear students, here we have found what made the animals happy in the end. Answer, sunlight made the animals happy in the end. Now dear students, we will learn its synonym, antonym. Look, word, synonym, and here the another column is what? Here I have written antonym. Okay, number 1, confusion. The word confusion, what is its synonym? Doubt. And what is its antonym? What is the antonym of the word confusion? Yes, its antonym is confidence. Okay, the word confusion, its antonym is what? Confidence. Now number 2, boldly. What is its synonym? Bravely. Boldly, what is its synonym? Bravely. And antonym is what? Timidly. Antonym is what? Timidly. Then number 3, offer. What is its synonym? Propose. The word offer, what is its synonym? Propose. And its antonym is what? Cancel. Its antonym is what? Cancel. Okay. Then number 4, fair. What is its synonym? Just. The word fair, what is its synonym? Just. And what is its antonym? Unfair. What is its antonym? Unfair. So the word fair, what is its antonym? Unfair. Dear students, so your SW is synonym, antonym from Unit 3. Okay. Do this SW properly and submit it on next Saturday. See you again. Allah Hafiz.